Nirvi, and I'm a painter.
And I'm Nishant, and I'm a body worker.
We are welcoming you to this group, opening to creativity. We really look forward.
Which is a 4-day workshop in May, and in that workshop we combine the body, presence of the body, the joy of being in the body, and expressing that on paper with paint and colors.
And this group is actually for everybody, because to come in contact with the body and to play with creativity. But maybe also for you who feel blocked, who have this feeling, I'm not a painter, I cannot, I would like to, but I cannot. Something is stopping me. Or, for example, you said, one day I will do something with creativity, but it's not now. Maybe it's now. Creativity is not only just painting the paint, it's also how can you be creative in your life.
We're going to do many different exercises and meditations, and where you can use the body and sense the body and come in contact with your own body and sense the joy which is actually there already.